I'm in the guys section right now. They have some nice shoes in here. I don't know. These are George. Look how nice these look. This is $18.87 for that shoe. I really like that. The quality is getting better, guys. So here's $19.92 for this shoe right here. And that's a nice quality shoe. And then you have these by George. So these are $21.98 for those. Then you have this shoe right here. Let me see who makes this. This is Earth Spirit, $25.88 for this guy's shoe. That's a very pretty shoe, especially here where we get cold weather. So these George ones are $19.97, and look at that from the side. And here's the same shoe, a construction boot, $19.97. Okay. Then we have these over here. These are $9.98. Don't they look like Converse? They're made by George. And that's the front of the shoe. Then you have that shoe. I like that shoe. That's $24.98. I don't know what that blue tape over there means, but this is a nice shoe. And they have plenty of those all the way to the bottom. Then you have these dress shoes right here. These are made by George also. These are $28.98 right here. It's a nice shoe, and here it is in this brown leather. Very nice. So these are dress shoes too by George, and these are $25.78. And so here we get into some tennis shoes. We call them sneakers. Okay, so these clearance, these look like little girl shoes. Let me see if I can get a clearance price for you. They're by Time and True, and there's leopard shape. And they're regularly $19.98, but I don't see a clearance sticker. So maybe they just brought these out. Let me check the bottom. Nope, I don't see them. But they're on the end cap here where it says clearance. These bottom ones are nice. $14.98, so I don't know what they are on clearance. Okay. These right here, made by Avia. Those are $26.97. These are this is $26.97, and this is $26.87 for those Avias, guys. Okay, and then these Avias are $24.97. So it looks like they want to mark some shoes down for clearance, but I don't see any. So these are kids' shoes, guys. Look how nice those are. And they even come in the gray. Those are $9.98. Guys, I'm sorry for the noise. They're moving stuff around. And then they have these. So these are male hikers. These are some nice made shoes. I don't see a price on those. Then you have some construction boots over here. These right here, guys, these are $21.98. Then you have some more tennis shoes over here. These are called Wonder Nation, $12.87. And then these, those, I believe those have the same price. Let me see. Those are $9.97. That's not bad at all. Right over here, these are the children's shoes. Those are called Wonder Nation, $14.97. And these right here, those are $17.87. Guys, I can't grab this. Then you have these for $17.87. And you have this shoe over here for $17.87. And this shoe over here is $16.87. And you have these right here. These are $16.87. And these are athletic. These are $16.87 There they are in the red, and there they are in the blue Velcro. I mean, the black, these are Velcro, guys. Then you have, look, the little Paw Patrol. Aren't they adorable? Catboy, 1687. Okay. Then they have, look at these, the marbles. These are, I think these are Velcro. Yeah, they're Velcro, 1687. And then they have the Paw Patrol. Those are so cute. Here's Mickey Mouse, 1287. And then they have these, 898. And here's some more Mickey. And then look at these. This is Wonder Nation, 1287. I think those are cute. And look at these. These are really nice looking too. This is 1787. Then you have these. It's got a nice shoe for kids. 1787. And look at these flip-flops. Wonder Nation. Those are so nice. They look so well made. So those are $9.98. Then you got some regular flip-flops over here, Wonder Nation in black and gray. And those guys are 98 cents. It looks like we have some women shoes. These are on clearance. Oh my God, I found some stuff on clearance. All right, so these are memory foam. These are on clearance for $11. Then this shoe right here, this one is on clearance for $11.50. Then you have these, but I don't see a clearance tag on those. These are $15. So the regular price is $24.98, and they're on clearance for $15, and that's what they look like. And these are $11 on clearance. Those are Avias. Okay, so guys, these don't look like they're on clearance. I'm so sorry for the noise, guys. These are $15 and these are $9. Ooh, these are $12.87, and look at these. Okay, these are Wonder Nation. Those are $10.87, and look at these. Oh my goodness, they are so cute. I'm loving them. Look at this, $12.87. And then these are Batman. Those are adorable. Okay, I don't see a price on those, but then you have these. These are Wonder Nation. I'm loving these. Then look at these. They say Smile, Wonder Nation. And those are $5.98. Are they not adorable with the watermelon? And look at the unicorn. And look at the flamingo. Oh, and look at these. Oh, oh, those are so cute. Look at that. I love that. Look at these. Oh my goodness. That is so cute. And then you have these. Wonder Nation. As soon as I can get a price, guys. Let's see. All right. So those are $10.87. Then you have these. So these are $9.98, and this is $10.87. And look at these in pink. Beautiful, guys. $9.98. So then you get into these. So this is JoJo, $16.87. That's what they look like from the side, guys. Then you have these right here for $16.87. And then look at these. This is Paw Patrol, $16.87. And these is Frozen, $16.87. Then you have Minnie Mouse, and that one is $11.73. And they have this kind right here. These light up, $16.87. So you got these down here. These are Paw Patrol, $11.73. And then these glitter ones are by Athletic, and these are $10.98. Then you have this kind, and these are $8.98. And who makes these? Athletic. So then you have these by Athletic too for $10.98. So then on this, look at this boot. Okay, these, I think these are marked for clearance, but I don't know. I don't have a price, guys, for you. Okay, then you have these little Velcro sneakers in white. These are, I don't see a price. $12.87 for that shoe. Then look at the boots. One donation, and that's $16.92. See, they're marked for clearance, I guess. So this one here, so the regular price is $16.92, and then look at this boot and this glitter one next to it. So guys, here's your rain boots. Okay, so the rain boots look like these black ones down here are $15.87. These right here, guys, are $9.98. So these rainbow ones right here are $9.98, and so are the pink ones. These by Frozen, okay, these are $17.87, and rainbow is $17.87. And then those up there are $16.87, one donation. And there's Paw Patrol for $17.87. So here's some more shoes, guys, for the little ones. So I thought we'd scroll through their shoes. So guys, thank you for coming with me. Oh, look at these. Oh my God, that's so cute. All right, thank you guys for coming with me to Walmart just to scroll through their shoes, guys. And I will see you in the next video.